In this video, you'll learn how to create an email sequence on Mailchimp. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up a series of automated emails to engage your audience effectively. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page loads, you should see the Mailchimp dashboard, which includes various options for managing your campaigns. Next, locate and click the button labeled Create. This button is usually positioned prominently on the dashboard. After clicking, you will be directed to a new screen that presents different campaign types you can create. After that, select the option labeled Replicate. This choice allows you to create a sequence based on a previously successful campaign. A list of your existing campaigns will be displayed, and you can choose one to replicate. Once you've selected a campaign to replicate, you will see the campaign editing interface. Look for the To section, which is where you specify your recipient list. Click on To proceed. Following this, you will be prompted to choose the recipients for your email sequence. Click on Send to continue. This action opens a menu where you can select your target audience from your subscribers. Next, click on All Email Subscribers to ensure that your sequence reaches everyone in your mailing list. This option allows you to verify that your email will be sent to the correct audience. After confirming your audience, click the Save button to store your selections. It is important to save your progress frequently to avoid losing any changes. Now, locate and click on the From section. This area allows you to define the sender's name and email address that will appear in the recipient's inboxes. Choose your email address from the list provided. This ensures that your audience recognizes who the email is coming from, which can improve open rates. Once you have selected your email address, click Save to confirm this choice. This step is crucial as it finalizes your sender information. Next, click on the subject line to enter the subject of your email. This is the first thing your recipients will see, so make it engaging and relevant. After entering the subject line, click on Send Time to set the timing for when your emails will be sent. This option allows you to choose the optimal time for your audience. Click on Send Now to initiate the sending process for your email sequence. A confirmation message will appear ensuring you wish to proceed with sending. Following this, click Save to finalize your email sequence settings. Saving at this point is essential to ensure all your configurations are recorded. Next, click on Content to start designing the email content. This section allows you to customize the visual and textual elements of your emails. Click on Edit Design to modify the layout and appearance of your emails. You can choose templates, add images and format text to match your branding. After editing the design, click on Save and Exit to store your changes and return to the campaign overview. This action will ensure your design edits are not lost. Now, click on Send to proceed with sending your email sequence. This action will take you to the final confirmation screen. Next, click on Ready to Send to review your email sequence settings one last time. This step is critical to ensure everything is correct before sending. Finally, click Send Now to dispatch your email sequence to your subscribers. A confirmation message stating, "Nice job, your email is sending," will appear to confirm that your emails are on their way. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.